You saw we stay in Jamaica? Look on the good champs we keep against all the odds, maneuvering pandemic conditions, the struggles to get government approval, no spectator revenue. The administrators, fans, coaches, and the athletes were all gripped by fear, trepidation, and paranoia. Amidst all of that, the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association, ISA, was able to clear all of these hurdles and executed a brilliant event. For 5 glorious sunlit days, the National Stadium was illuminated with passionate expressions of athleticism, skill, and exuberance. As the youngsters did what many doubted they could do, they exhibited supreme discipline, order, and focus to make Champs 2021 a resounding success. Congratulations are in order to Jamaica College and Edwin Allen for finishing top of the pops in their respective categories. But I think every athlete, every coach, every official who played a part in Champs 2021 were winners in their own right. And with all of that vibrant positivity, what everybody across Jamaica talk about? What dominated the Champs discussion? What am I talking about? A youth must have blank. Everybody